Here we have a vintage multi-tool made in Japan in its original case. Pretty nice shape for its age. The research I've done says this is from the 50s. So it's got the fork, it's got the spoon, the draw knife, large knife blade, scissors, can opener, bottle opener, saw, corkscrew, flathead screwdriver with files, and then these two guys here. This one doesn't have an edge at all on it. This one does have an edge. Very small knife blade. All in all, it's an 11-piece multi-tool. Let me know in the comments if you know anything about these.